In this video, we're going to take a tour of the XG Firewall admin console. When you log in, you're presented with the Control Center, which surfaces all the information that needs your attention using traffic light style indicators. At the top of the screen, you can see your firewall appliance model, the current firmware version, and your serial number. On the right, there's a question mark you can click to reveal an overlay of helpful insights into the Control Center dashboard widgets. Clicking Help on any screen will also reveal context-sensitive help information, and the Admin drop-down menu offers convenient access to the Sophos support page, information about your firewall and license, an option to relaunch the initial setup wizard, command line interface access, as well as options to reboot, shut down, lock the console, or log out. You can also launch the new Live Log Viewer window from any screen by clicking the Log Viewer in the upper right corner of the screen. On the Control Center dashboard, information is presented using a series of widgets. On the top left, you have real-time insights into your system status, including performance, services, connections, and VPN. If anything needs your attention, it will change color. Clicking any of these will open the flip card view, revealing additional information. There's also auto-scaling graphs showing the current and recent CPU and memory utilization, bandwidth consumption, and active sessions. Again, clicking any of these will reveal additional history with options to look over a longer period of time. You'll also find some additional system and network tools here, including access to more system graphs, the log viewer, remote support option, packet capture, the connection table, and the command line interface. There's also quick links to various network diagnostic tools like ping and traceroute. High availability status is also shown, along with centralized management via Sophos Firewall Manager and your uptime. In the center of the screen, we have the Traffic widget, which provides insights into web activity, which shows the number of web requests in each 5-minute interval for the last hour, and you can mouse over the line to get the actual value. Like all the graphs on the Control Center, it will auto-scale to provide appropriate resolution. Here we also have the most frequently accessed apps and web categories, as well as the sources for potentially suspicious network activity and any blocked applications. On the right side, we have the User and Device Insights area, which shows the number of Sophos endpoints connected to your firewall with security heartbeat enabled, with a flip card view that provides additional insight. There's also a widget for Sandstorm that shows the number of suspect files seen in the last 24 hours and the sandbox analysis results. You can click through this to see additional details on all the files Sandstorm has analyzed. There's also a status indicator for advanced threat protection that will turn red in the event an APT is detected on your network. And then we have the number of risky users identified on your network, which offers a click-through to the User Threat Quotient report. You can also see the status of your Sophos remote Ethernet devices, wireless access points, connected remote VPN users, and live users on your network. On the bottom left, you'll see the Message Center, where you'll get important notices of firmware updates or warnings, such as we see here. You can click to get the flip card view and get more information on each of them. The center area here includes quick access to some important risk reports from the previous day. Clicking any of these will drill down to the report, or you can choose to download a PDF with full insights into these areas by clicking the arrow next to each entry. And on the lower left side of the Control Center, we have our unique and very helpful Active Policies widget. It shows you exactly how many active firewall rules you have at any given time, as well as how many are unused, disabled, changed, or recently added, which can be very helpful for doing policy and rule housekeeping. The graph shows a real-time and historical view over the last couple of hours of the bandwidth being used by each rule type. As with other graphs, you can mouse over them to get an actual value at that point in time. System navigation is neatly organized into 4 areas on the left side, with your most commonly used monitoring and analysis tools located at the top of the menu, followed by all of your protection configuration areas, and then all your network and authentication options, with system administration options at the bottom. With the new left nav and tabs, you're now never more than a couple clicks from where you need to be, making everything in the system easily and quickly accessible.